Here's our stock in focus segment here. We're looking at Panera Bread, and it really exploded to the upside, up about 8%, up even 12 on the day. And when you looked at it prior to that, you might want to say, well, this may be a good short opportunity. Because you're looking at it, hey, it had its move here, it goes through its correction, it's having its almost a last move here, and then you start to see it really go sideways here, and then you start to see it break, try to rally up, can't break through the 100 and fails and starts to fall under here. And, when you look at it in that way, it does make sense that it could be, a short. And I'm not saying it isn't going to be one down the road here. Just on the short term, it made sense of why you're seeing this kind of bounce, because a lot of times what you'll see is this kind of sideways action here. You'll see it kind of run here, and then you'll see it try to make a break. But look at what you see when you draw the line in here. This gave a little bit of a hint. There's two real hints on this chart that really showed that, Panera was not a short. As a matter of fact, I was looking at this as a potential short and decided against it. And I'll give you the reasons why I was looking at it as a short, and also why I thought about it against it. Two things here. First off, we were seeing this kind of, nice gap up. You see it really rallying high here, and you're starting to see this break under the 100-day moving average. And each time it failed at the 100 and at the 50. So, I had my feeling that, well, maybe it's not really able to rally here and it's going to potentially break. There's two major reasons why I decided against this, three, I guess. But, a lot of times, one of them is, a lot of times when you see a good move like this and it accelerates higher here, you start to see it kind of go through this. It almost looks as if it's going to break down dramatically, but they rarely do. A lot of times they'll go through these slight correction